First off, we have a couple Bambu Labs AMS disconnect tools. How many times have you struggled with disconnecting the PTFE tubes and this cable right here? Well, Bambu Labs may have made it a bit tricky, but fear not. These tools are here to make your life significantly easier. The release kit for the cable is positioned toward the printer, making it quite a bit challenging. But with this tool, you can effortlessly slide it over the cable and disconnect it without breaking a sweat. And for the PTFE tube, well, that can be a real headache, right? Well, this tool easily slides onto the tube, allowing you to depress the connector and remove it with ease. Now, let's talk about the Bambu Labs AMS desiccant tray. We all know that the Bambu Labs AMS ships with desiccant packets, but why settle for the basics? With this free file, you can create a removable tray with a lid that holds reusable desiccant beads. So, no more worrying about moisture affecting your prints. This tray fits snugly near the rear of the AMS, providing a secure spot for your reusable desiccant. It's a small upgrade that can make a huge difference in the longevity of your filament. Trust me, your prints will thank you for it. Next on our list is the Bambu Labs AMS dryer pod, because let's face it, you can never have too much desiccant, right? These pods fit perfectly in the front of the AMS, increasing the overall desiccant capacity. The more desiccant means the longer you can go without having to replace it. Personally, I've been using the Wise Dry reusable color changing desiccant, and it's actually been working wonders for me. It comes in a 5-pound container, and the best part, it's only about $30 at the time of this recording. Check the description below for all the files and the product links down below. Now, let's talk about something crucial: monitoring the humidity in your AMS. After all, dry filament is a happy filament. Introducing the AMS Hydro Mount. Well, this. Plus this. This nifty little stand is made possible by a free STL file, and it allows you to place a hydrometer at the front of your AMS. It's going to be able to provide you with real-time temperature and humidity percentages, ensuring you know exactly when it's time to replace that desiccant and keep your filament in top condition. Don't forget to check the description for all the download links and the recommended products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Happy printing, and I'll catch you in the next one.